Hi everyone, welcome to BlockSnack, your daily crypto wrap-up for Monday, June 15th, 2026. We break down Bitcoin, Ethereum, and blockchain news, fast, clear, and without the hype. I'm Jack, and I'll walk you through what matters today. If that sounds useful, hit subscribe and follow the channel.
BlockSnack.
Today we're covering the crypto market reaction to the U.S. Iran deal, Bitcoin Treasury accumulation, Ethereum's massive Bitmine buy, the latest regulation and policy shift around digital assets, and institutional adoption through banks and tokenized markets. Quick reminder, this is an educational news update, not financial advice. Always do your own research. First up, the broad crypto market got a fresh macro jolt after the U.S. Iran peace deal announced in mid-June 2026. According to CoinDesk's market coverage, the deal helped lift global equities and pushed oil lower, with Brent crude down roughly 4 to 5%. Normally, that kind of risk-on setup can give crypto a big boost. But this time, the market's reaction was more restrained. Bitcoin hovered around $65,800, a two-week high, while major crypto assets posted only modest gains because traders remained skeptical after past failed ceasefires and geopolitical flare-ups. Bitcoin's headline move was clean. CoinDesk reported BTC hit a two-week high above $65,500 as the U.S. Iran agreement reopened the Strait of Hormuz, pulled geopolitical premium out of oil, and helped push risk assets higher. But the bigger Bitcoin story is still corporate accumulation. Bitcoin Magazine reported that Strategy spent about $100 million on 1,587 BTC at an average price of $63,024. Lifting total holdings to 846,842 BTC. That is around 4% of total Bitcoin supply, which is absolutely massive. Ethereum's big story is Bitmine Immersion Technologies, chaired by Tom Lee, going even deeper into ETH. CoinDesk reported Bitmine purchased 76,881 ETH, worth about $136 million, after raising $274 million through a preferred stock sale. The structure is notable because it borrows from the corporate treasury playbook pioneered by Strategy in Bitcoin. Raise capital, acquire the asset, and build a public market vehicle around the treasury strategy. Now to regulation, where the tone is shifting from enforcement-only headlines toward market structure. The SEC's draft strategic plan for 2026 through 2030 includes digital assets and blockchain as a standalone objective, with a goal of building a regulatory foundation for tokenized offerings, custody, trading, and on-chain financial infrastructure. The plan also points to a more rational, principled approach, which is exactly the kind of language institutions watch closely before committing real capital. Finally, institutional adoption is moving, but it still has a giant clarity checkpoint. BitGet's coverage of Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse highlighted the continuing XRP regulatory clarity gap in the United States, noting that banks still can't move confidently even after legal victories. That matters because banks do not just need interest in crypto, they need compliance certainty before integrating assets like XRP for cross-border payments or building around digital asset rails. That's it for today. Subscribe for daily crypto news, drop a like if this helped, and share it to support the channel. See you tomorrow for your next BlockSnack.